bring you a platter of noise. You'll pick up each one to hear the beckoning stream of vein and clusters. But pull me through this garden of pain, darling. But we're melting like skies in the autumn. If there's a voice in the tunnel and I hear, please let your mother know of all your stakes. I think I was born aground. My palms stretch and I see the ship that sails through to abandon all the lands. Okay, fine. Maybe you'll hear my name and find traces of a scent. I still feel the echo of my being, kissing over mountains and mountains just to get back to her. You're the only one who knows the pleading variable of time and tide. Hold me tight, I promise I'd look after your refrigerator heart. I'll gather the rain and the lost, so darling, don't brood over winds that catch fire. I'll see you tracing the sky, so if you have some time, you can come back